Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to learn about how to walk in dance. Walking is called Chari. How the feet are getting used to walk, especially for the beginners. So the main methodology to walk is you need to lift your leg and walk. It is not like a normal walking. Bharatanatyam walking are different. So just to get trained into how to walk, there are a few certain steps that we are going to try and do, and I would want you to request and practice along with me. Always right leg starts first. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita takkadimmi, takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. So you bend your leg, land on the heel, let go. Bend, land on the heel, let go. This is your walking front. Now how to walk backwards? The leg tippy-toe goes back, let go, tippy-toe, let go, tippy-toe, let go, tippy-toe, let go. This is the normal Chari walk. In this, we are going to walk and land, the second variety. Takkita takkadimmi, the left leg. Takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Going back. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. So the same thing, can you try and do a little faster? Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Same thing, the third variety. You're going to turn and twist your waist and the feet. Right leg twist and is kept horizontally with the left leg in tippy-toe and chest a little pushed forward. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Going back. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Along with the walk, we are going to now try moving to the side. So from Samam, Kudoramandi, out tap, tippy-toe. Out tap, tippy-toe, out tap, tippy-toe. When you go out tap, the leg has to go nice big V. If it is like this, swastika will not come in place. So let's try along with the walk. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Now left leg. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. On the swastikam, the leg has to be nice just behind the feet, not backward. This is wrong. If it's here, it is wrong. It is behind, it is wrong. Just behind, without a much gap, it has to be in alignment with the front leg. Front leg has to be in big V, and you should get a diamond between your leg. If not, it is not swastika. Okay? In that, another variety is to jump out. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Now same thing, we're going to now try with your hands to just have some fun. Hands, patakas on the side, it becomes Dola Hasta. From chest, if you're going to use right hand, right leg. Kataka Mukam on the chest goes to Ala Padma and comes back. Switch over, left hand becomes Kataka Mukam, right hand goes to patakas on the side, Dola Hasta and comes back. Let's try slowly. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita takkadimmi, takkita tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. So going back. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Now let's try the jump out hands. When you go jump out, hands goes out in Katakamuka and comes back in. Out, comes back in. Now let's try how to walk and jump out at the same time using both hands and legs. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Now we'll try and do another way of walking, which is V-shaped walking, turning and twisting in your body as well. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Your leg goes in V shape while the other leg is in tippy-toe and body is little raised up in the front. Now to go back. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. There are different varieties of walking, different varieties of Chari, which we will be learning down the line. But for a beginner, these are the basic levels of walking. Let's move on to the next one for the beginner as well, which is sliding and tapping. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. So you just slide in whatever direction you want, either horizontally, diagonally, vertically, backwards, and then just tap. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Now to go back, slide and tap. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Takkita, takkadimmi, takkita, tam. Either you can go straight or you can go with the same leg or alternating your legs in whatever directions you want. You should be able to move around. All these walking steps are used for a dancer to move from one place to another place along with the Paravaladava. Paravaladava is where they move with the jati, the steps. But this one is for them to train to walk in between the steps. When they are normally the walking is all used when they're exhausted, when the steps are exhausted, then they need to walk. They need to learn how to walk. They need to do it in between the steps. So to get to that space, a dancer should know how to do the basic level of walking. These are the ones for the beginner's level. Until you get trained, don't let go, don't give up, keep practicing. You will definitely get it and you will be able to shine as a superstar, as a beautiful dancer. Hare Krishna, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Keep learning, liking the dance and keep watching. Until then, tada, bye bye. Hare Krishna, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.